Hey, Dustin, you should smile.
I'm still on top. He's still on bottom. Ah! What are you doing?
Oh, you're like a freaking cat. That hurts so bad.
My slide almost fell off.
They're like nails.
Well,
It almost fell off.
people do have them.
Well, she has sharp ones, so.
I'm sorry, I almost fell off. You went back and I almost fell. I had to grab on somehow.
Pull his hair a little, maybe.
No, I didn't do that, but
She grabbed on my love handles.
you have love handles?
Well, I have some. No, babe.
Yes. No, I'm still on top, you asshole. I'm still on top, you're still on bottom, so that's all that matters.
Tired.
Now stay down.
I told you I'm not gonna back down.
I think he's yelled on goal.
Probably.